how to connect Namecheap domain to Lovable AI. Hello everyone, welcome once again. In today's tutorial, you would learn how you can connect Namecheap domain to Lovable AI. So kindly watch till the end. First of all, log in into your Lovable AI account and then open up the project that you would like to add the Namecheap domain to. Once the project has been opened, you would see details about the project. At the top part of the screen, you see a navigation bar displaying some options. Move to the left side of the screen, the top left side of the screen, and click on the name of the project. After clicking on it, a drop-down menu will be displayed. Okay. In this menu, you see options like go to dashboard, get free credits, settings, rename project appearance, help. Select settings, and on the settings page, also at the left side of the screen where you'd see a sidebar, select domains. All right, you can see options like project settings, domains, analytics, knowledge, etc. Our business is domains. So before now, ensure you've gotten your Namecheap domain ready, and also you must also know that for you to add domains, any kind of domains from Namecheap, from GoDaddy, you have to ensure that you've upgraded your account. If you're using the free version, you would not be able to. Alright, so once you've upgraded and you're brought to the domain page, move to the third option here, which is called add existing domain. Connect a domain you already own. Move to the right side and click connect domain. As I said earlier, you must have upgraded your account to the paid version rather. I'm using the free version, and because of that, I won't be able to go further from here. But for you, as long as you have upgraded your account and you click connect domain, you'll be directed to the next page where you'll be required to type in your details, and just like that your Namecheap domain will be connected easily. All right, but if you've not upgraded, once you click connect domain, upgrade your account and follow through the procedures and you're good to go. So there you go. Thank you and have a wonderful day.